So out reviewing a few more VIN numbers, or so we're trying to do. So hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So I'm inside of a mobile home now, which is across the lake. Pretty good view, right? This one makes it desirable for a mobile home. Let me get into this right away. So I'm in here reviewing for a VIN number, VIN identification, because we have to get a bond title so that we can get a title replacement. So I've done my research, I've done my homework, everything checks out, of course. Very nice mobile home, by the way. It's, it needs minimal cosmetic works at this time. But here's one of the main places where you can find the VIN number. And as you can see, it is no longer attached. You can see once upon a time it was located, and that's what happens with a lot of these HUD data sheets. That's what it's called when it's inside of the closet or cabinets, wherever it's located inside of a mobile home. But it's not there. Somebody obviously ripped it up and took it from them. So now, how do you identify that? If you have no actual VIN number on the mobile home, what is it going to take for the officer that comes out and does the T22 forms to verify it? Some people will say, well, go into the mobile home and find it. I'm going to tell you right now, no officer is going onto the mobile home. Now, it should be in the front of the chassis sometimes, maybe on the tongue of the front as well. You could potentially use a HUD data plate, but there's other ways to go about it. Don't forget, there's tax records, there's public records, there's also IBTS. Look, all these forms, and all this is what I'm going to be covering at the November 30th virtual event. You cannot make an excuse. I cannot attend because I cannot fly. I cannot get there. Get on your phone, get on your computer, get on your tablet. It does not matter what device you use. It is via Zoom. It is easy. It is November 30th. It is Wednesday at 7 p.m. EST time. It's about a 2-hour long because I'm going to show you every step by step by step. You're not going to want to miss out. You think about how can I become the biggest problem solver mobile home investing. Join the call. You're going to learn how to get replacement titles. That's one of the biggest things that can happen, impeding you from getting an actual deal to go through. So visit us, GarciaMHU.com. See the description on this here so that you can log you directly into the virtual. Thank you for watching.